Hi friend, I am your SK and today I'm talking about a new job notification coming from the Indian Oil Corporation Limited, which is a PSU company of the central government. Okay, basically this job is a central government type job and have a great number of vacancy coming from for chemical engineering and production in the post of production. Also applicable for those who doing did a apprenticeship from the IOCL, other refinery like Indian Oil, BPCL, HPCL, and other things. From the BSc Chemistry, BSc Mathematics, BSc Physics, at least 1 year experience. Okay, needed. Basically, let's start with how much vacancy coming from which refinery and refinery to refinery how many vacancy is available and which branch is suitable uh, for this vacancy and what are the job role and what what are the criteria for and what are the cutoff age and what are the experience cutoff age. Okay, and everything I want to talk in this video. So please watch full video and then you have understand every point of view every and you can remove every confusion. Okay, so let's start. I can search on Google uh, isol.com and then open this type of page. Okay, then you can go from the what's in new and this page is what's in new this. Okay, then I am searching what's new and this page is open. Okay, this page is open and they have a detailed. I have clicked the detailed advertisement and here is this um, advertisement number: Guwahati, Barauni, Gujarat, Haldia, Mathura, Panipat, and Petrochemical, Paradip, Digboy, and Bangoigaon. Okay, basically all refinery from the Indian Oil giving the requirement of various posted. Okay, basically this post is especially for diploma engineering, which coming from the branch of chemical, mechanical, electrical, instrumentation, and some kind of industrial chemistry. Okay, and okay, let's start with how many how many vacancy of for available. Refinery. Okay, this is only for junior engineer assistant post for the production, and Guwahati give the 28 vacancy, Purane gives 23, and Gujarat offer 46 vacancy, Mathura offer 33, and PRC Panipat offer 50 vacancy, Digboy offer 45 vacancy, and Bangoigam offer 13, and Paradip offer 58 vacancy. This is a great and huge amount of vacancy. I think this is the greatest ever of whole refinery given the vacancy for the production. Okay, and have a different category, have a different numbers of seat available, and PWD in basically in production doesn't have a PWD candidate requirement and does not take any PWD candidate of IOCL. Okay, then asking about junior engineer assistant P&U. Basically this post is applicable for electrical and sometimes mechanical, but in this section some refinery only suitable for only asking from electrical and but some refinery asking both. Okay, so let's start with Guwahati offer 3 vacancy and Barauni offer 2 vacancy, Gujarat offer 5 vacancy, Mathura 6 vacancy, Digway offer 13 vacancy, in Bagoigon offer 6 vacancy, and does not have any PWD candidate requirement. Okay, then after junior engineer assistant for electrical, junior technical assistant, Guwahati offers 4 vacancy, Brunei offer 2, Gujarat offer 3, and Mathura offer 11 vacancy for junior in JEA for electrical branch. Okay, and this is have some vacancy coming from PWD and one vacancy backlog. Backlog this simply means in the previous vacancy doesn't fill all vacants. That means some remaining and in this requirement have included. This is the backlog, nothing is others. Okay, then have also some PRPC. That means PRPC means Paradip Refinery and Petrochemical Complex, and have offer 14 vacancy. Okay, and Digway offer 4, Pagoy for Paradip 23 highest vacancy. Okay, for that means greater news for the electrical branch. And then have a junior engineer assistant for mechanical. Guwahati offer 4, Baroni offer 2, and Gujarat offers 1. PRPC Panipat offer 6, Digway offers 4, Bagoi offer 5, Paradip offer 9. Again, Paradip offer greatest vacancy. And then our junior assistant for instrumentation have also given, and DY offer, Paradip offer again most of the vacancy from the for suitable for junior instrument from coming from Paradip, and other quality control analysis, and great most of vacancy from 5. Digwai offer the greatest number of vacancy for quality control analysis. And then junior is a JA for fire and safety, and they have various vacant, and most and PRPC and Gujarat have the largest vacancy in F and S, and junior material assistant, and they have only two refinery offer, Brownie and Gujarat. Okay, and junior nursing assistant only Brownie offer one vacancy. Okay, so this type of on here all vacancy from the various branches. Okay, then ask about some criteria and what are the requirement. At least every branch which doing a diploma required 3 years minimum, and 50% marks at least, and OBC general 50% and 45% for SST, and also at least 1 year experience in the petrochemicals, petroleum refinery, heavy chemical and gas process industry require experience. And those candidate who have doing diploma after 12th and after ITI, which is also applicable for filling the production post and other post. Okay. Mm, Same thing, all branches needed at least 1 year experience from various when we talk about electrical, so then have some from experience comes from petrochemical, heavy chemical, fertilizer, power plants, large industrial establishment, and various things. Okay, so at least many branches are suitable. And actually I want to say in production post there is no woman applicable, but in the nursing, quality control and other things, women have suitable for vacant post. Okay, they have simply written an opportunity for women. No woman is permitted to work in a lot or enter any building in which generation of gas from dangerous petroleum, as defined in the Petroleum Act 1934, as carried. No woman is allowed in work to LPG storage and handling area. According, women candidate will not be considered for vacancy in production. Also, against cadre work area requires shift operation. That means where the shifting operation is doing doesn't have a woman requirement, but in the quality control, F&S maintains various services performed in shift. However, subject to limitation above the, if any work requirement ability of ND5, women may be applied. That means some I have already said that mean quality control and nursing and other things which is suitable for women. So don't need women have also vacancy come from. And then asking what reservation, that means SST, OBC, non-creamy layer. And that basically if you apply in the IOCL and require OBC, and simply form OBC format from the IOCL website, no other website. Okay, so make on IOCL website OBC format, not give any otherwise possible to rejection. Sometimes many student filling application form, that's why management decide to choose very careful, not sometimes otherwise I want to say you must make ISL format obviously and SST, otherwise don't take anyone to risk. Okay, and relaxation up to SST and PWD. Actually, simply SST require relax 5 years, and obesity relief 3 years. And which candidate minimum requirement age is 18 and maximum 26, and date is 13 August, no, September 2021. Okay. And that candidate which is already doing taking experience from other things, like doing apprenticeship from did apprenticeship from IOCL, then give 1 year relaxation for candidate who have did apprenticeship from IOCL, and simply written in the maximum age relaxation 1 year age will be given to conduct posing boiler competency test certificate. Also, B boiler competency certificate give also 1 year relax. And yes, point number 8, period of apprenticeship training under the Apprentice Act 1971 1973 amended. Industry covered under the experience at criteria notifying the advertisement related to posts consider for relaxation in age. Okay, so that mean those candidates who have did apprenticeship from the ISL give the 1 year relaxation. And date of recalling eligibility. That mean candidate which have at least 1 year required experience, and this is cutoff date is 13 September 2021. Okay, selection methodology basically it's a written test and SPT team. That means a skill test and a skill proficiency test, and then after medical, and finally you have joined. Okay. And also I want to say in the last, you if you're filling application form from IOCL website, and print out your application form and send to this uh, uh, respective refinery which you have filled in the refinery. That means Guwahati, Barauni, Gujarat, Haldia, Mathura, Panipat, Dubai, Bangoy, Paradip. Okay, so you must send all documents which application filled and they have written in this. And if any query, please contact in various refinery. Okay, they must pick up your phone. Okay. And date opening on online application is 21 9 2021. Okay, that means last submission of 12/10 and 2021. Okay, I hope you have any query. Please comment and mention in the comment. I will definitely try to give your answer. Okay. Again, I will meet in the next video.